Hi guys, today I want to do a quick review of a recent purchase. This is a bag that I want to share today. I will also do a brief comparison with my Constance To Go, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So this is one of my holiday purchase. You may say that I still have the tax on because I'm still deciding if I want to keep it or return. And I'll tell you the reasoning a little bit. So a little bit about this bag. This is the mini Constance or Constance 18 in the Etoupe color with gold hardware. And this one is in the Epsom leather. Let me show you the close-up of this bag. So this is the front and this is the back. It will be so nice if they have a back pocket here. Let me open it up and show you the inside. So basically it has two main compartments. So this is the bigger one, and inside of this one there's a back pocket here, and then this is the front, and you can see that here is one extra pocket or layer here. This bag can fit a lot. I want to show you the comparison of this bag and this Constance To Go. I have a separate video where I did a in-depth review of this Constance To Go, so you can check that one out if you're interested and want to learn more about the Constance To Go. But what I really want to show you here is you can see the color differences here. So when I got this bag, I immediately noticed the color differences. I don't know if you can see here. My Constance To Go looks lighter in color. So by the way, both of them are in Etoupe color and Epsom leather. I want to quickly compare their size differences too. This one is not really a bag. It's a small leather goods, while this one is a proper bag. So you can see here, the Constance To Go is longer, but the Constance Mini is taller. You can see here. So from the side here, you can see that the Constance To Go is a lot thinner. So the size differences definitely reflect in their capacities. I found that the mini Constance can hold a lot more than the Constance To Go, especially for bulkier items. So I think one thing about the Constance To Go is that you can't really put anything that are bulkier or like thicker inside because the side is very limited. If you put something thicker or bulky, probably won't be able to close it in the front. Mini Constance is my favorite bag out of all the bags that I have from Hermes. It's just so easy to use and very versatile, and it has a pretty good capacity. It can fit everything I need on a daily basis. I was quite excited to get this bag. This color has been on my wish list for a while, but I just wasn't able to get it from my boutique. When I saw this one available on Fashionphile, and the price wasn't too bad. Of course, I have to pay a premium, but compared to some of the others that I saw, I thought this one was fairly priced, especially given its condition. So this one was listed as excellent. I think in the listing, they mentioned about some like minor scratches on the hardware, and then minor scuffs in the interior. I actually noticed some scuffs on the outside, and it's pretty noticeable. I don't know if you guys can see, it's like right here. So this is what I'm talking about. Can you guys see like these two spots right here? Those are the scuffs. Yeah, this way you can probably see better. It's actually pretty bad. And I think for Epsom leathers, I don't even know if these are repairable if I send them into the Hermes spa. I think I've read it somewhere that the scratches or like scuffs on Epsom leather is not repairable. I'm really disappointed that I have to return this bag because I really do like it, but hopefully I'll be able to find another one. So yeah, this is a quick review. I hope it was helpful. Let me know which one you guys like better. Personally, I like the mini Constance more because it's more functional, it has a larger capacity, but I do also like the aesthetic of the Constance To Go. And thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!